What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now in 1972, F.A. Porsche and his brother Hans Peter founded Porsche Design, a brand that could carry the principles of the automaker beyond the world of cars. Now their first product was a black watch released 50 years ago that has now inspired a follow-up chronograph, a limited edition 911, and the restoration of a classic vehicle. Now the latest special edition 911 is called the Edition 50Y Porsche Design. Limited to just 750 examples, the model is based on the 911 Targa GTS and features an all-black exterior and classic Sportec seat center panels. Now the second hand on the Porsche Design sub-second clock offered as a part of the Sport Chrono package is painted red as a nod to the past. Now the 911 Edition 50Y is powered by the same twin-turbo flat 6 as the Targa GTS, producing 473 horsepower, 480 PS, and comes with an 8-speed PDK transmission as standard and a 7-speed manual as an option. Now power is sent to all four wheels, with Porsche claiming a 0 to 62 mph or 100 km time in 3.5 seconds with the help of launch control. Now available in European dealerships in April, the new limited edition sports car will cost 185,606 euros or 210,372 US dollars at the current exchange rates. And buyers can also purchase a new special version of the chronograph that features the edition number and the wheel-shaped winding rotor as a nod to the car. Now the watch will be called the Chronograph 1 1972 Limited Edition, and it will feature a historical logo and lettering. Limited to just 500 examples, it is available through Porsche Design. The cars that the original watch inspired, meanwhile, will be available through the automaker. Now the restored car is a 911 S2.4 Targa from 1972. It has been worked on for 2 years, and when the restoration began, the model was missing quite a few parts and was in pretty bad condition. That was okay though, because Porsche Classic was planning to modify it anyway. Now the team painted the car the same colors as the legendary Chronograph 1 that was designed in 1972, with black dominating both the interior and exterior. Now Porsche Design lettering can be seen on the outside, while the roll bar and the side stripes have been finished in platinum satin. Now the Targa lettering, meanwhile, has been painted on in matte black, and the grille over the engine features a Porsche Design 50th anniversary badge with a reproduction of F.A. Porsche's signature. Now Porsche Design will also release a limited capsule collection in the fashion, shoes, sportswear, luggage, and accessory ranges. Now a special collection of sunglasses is also planned. And finally, the Porsche Museum will celebrate the house's 50th anniversary with a special exhibition running July 11, 2022, featuring information about F.A. Porsche's life, his design, philosophy, and more. And it will span 5 decades and many product ranges. So with that said, what do you guys think about this 50th anniversary 911 Edition 50Y Porsche Design? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on this special 911 Targa limited edition celebrating the 50th anniversary of Porsche Design. Now with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. Thank you so much. Now you guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch, where you can get long sleeve shirts, hoodies, t-shirts, everything Ron's Rise is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. So everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel or click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video.